One of the most frustrating parts of AI filmmaking is to make your character look perfect, like look the same across all scenes. And that's the reason why Google Flow just released a new feature called Storyboard Studio. So in this very video, I'm going to guide you step-by-step process on how you can get to use Storyboard Studio in order to make your character to look the same in all your scene. So if you're really interested about this, watch this from the beginning to the end and do not skip any part. Everyone watching this video know how you can get to access your Google Flow, and the process to access Google Flow is very simple and easy. If you don't know how to access it, just go to your browser and search for Google AI Flow, and I'm pretty sure everyone know the feature, the usage of Google Flow right away. Okay, so once you see this page, it's very simple and easy. Basically, you can get to access these new tools when you are using your laptop. It's going to be very easy. Like it's going to be very easy. But for we that we don't have a laptop now, I'm going to show you okay how we can get to access this new tool. What I just want for you to do is to click on create a new project. Okay, just click on create a new project. There's a lot of things we can do. You know, we can generate a good image, and I'm going to show you the new feature that we have right away. Okay, so once you see this page right now, it's not going to give you the much menu. So what I just want you to do right now is to click on this three dotted line here. Up in this section, you will see bunch of this thing. You can just scroll down and see something that said desktop site. Okay, just click on that section that said desktop site. Okay, this is the place we are going to see a lot of new menu. The new menu is going to pop up like way. Okay, you can see right away. I just want you to ignore the rest. Okay, so I just want you to focus on this one here. Just let me zoom it up like this. Okay, and scroll it to this section here. You can see media, you can see character, you can see scene, and you can see tools right away. Okay, so what I just want you to click right now, assuming you're using your laptop, if you're using laptop, you can easily see that, but I'm using my phone. Just click on tools. This is the place we can get to see the new feature, that like the new tools that Google just released. Okay, so I just want you to scroll here and move to this section. You can see here, you can see simple sketch. You can see right away. You can turn any drawing into a stylish image. You can see right away. You can see scene explorer. You can see explode visual for scene based initial location. You can see right away. You can see a bunch of, you can see more or compare your image into a different environment, and you can see image editor, transform object, and add text and object sizing. You can see like there's a bunch of new feature that we can get to explore, but we are not going here. Okay, so let me show you what you can see like a bunch of new feature that we can make use of right away. Okay, so what I just want you to do is to click on create tool. You can see here around this up. Okay, once you click on create tool, you can see start building any creative tool. You can dream by describing below right away. You can see time stretching, you can see style movie, and you can also see voice, like voice over right away. So what I just want you is to click on this section here that said build a character right away. Okay, so guys, we are not making use of this section that said create to. We are going to make use of this section here. Let me scroll down. This section that says storyboard studio. Okay, so if we want our character to be consistent right away, okay, we are going to make use of storyboard studio. Okay, let me just wait for a couple of minutes for this to load up right now. It is loading. Okay, it is loading, guys. You want to click on storyboard right away. Okay, so what you just need, let me scroll, let me sum it up so that you guys can see it properly. Okay, so what you just need to do is to click on this section that say realistic. You can see realistic there. You can say create a custom style. You can create a custom style. You can choose 3D animation. You can choose charcoal, play. You can see there's a bunch of presets here that we can choose, but for me, I'm going for 3D animation. Okay, if you're going for 3D animation, just choose that and click on get started right away, and let's wait for a couple of minutes for this right away. Okay, so I'm just to wait for a couple of minutes for this to load up. This is where everything is going to be getting interesting. You can see this tab here, this section here. You can see describe your story, edit scene, and update dialogue. Okay, so this is the place where we're going to be pasting our script. Okay, for me, I have a separate script. If you want your script, if you want this script, just comment script down in this comment section. I will send the link to you right away so that you can get to access it. Okay, so you just copied everything here. You need to copy it and move back to the Google Flow storyboard. Okay, so I just need to paste this. Okay, let me just wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so guys, I just need to paste in my script. Just click on paste. You can see how it's simple and how simple it is. After you paste in your script, just click on send. Okay, so this AI is going to, you can see it is constructing the script. With this right now, the AI is going to give us the scene, the style, how the character is going to look like, how everything you can see right away. You can see the clock, everything, the title, it has given us the title, our character, you can see how the character is going to look like, the Sarah, you can see everything right away. Okay, so that is how simple and easy it is right away. Okay, after we are done with the script, you can see it has break down the character, their role, everything. So the next step right now is to move to the assets tab. Okay, just click on the section and click on the assets right away. Okay, this is the asset tab, like how our asset is going to look like. You can see our character name, everything is there. So let me just wait for a couple of minutes to generate my character for me. Okay, this is the section that a lot of work is going to build. Like, this is the section that we're going to be building our character, like Leo, Hector, everything. But we can click on autofill, and this AI is going to autofill the character, like every scene, every this thing is going to this one too. I can click on autofill the location, and I can scroll down here. I can click on autofill the prompts. Okay, I can scroll down. You can see that is what we have there. You can also fill the location and everything, and it's going to generate it for you. But you can also do it manually. But let me just wait for a couple of minutes for this AI to fill out my character, how the character is going to look like, and everything. Then we can move to the next step. Okay, this is how awesome. You can see right here away like this that's generated the character for me. You can see the location, like how the location is going to look like, and some assets that we are going to be leading here. And you can see how awesome and how very neat this is. Okay, so I just want you to go ahead and explore these new tools, which is the Storyboard Studio. So like I just want you to explore it. I just discover it. I just say, okay, let me share it with my people, with my follower here. So I hope this video really help you. And if you want more tutorial on this, I will take my time to make a research properly on how to use this tool properly. So if you want more tutorial, like you want a specific tutorial on this tool, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Everyone